Is your inbox flooded with junk emails? Hey, I'm Ian, and today I have an overview for how I created a Chrome extension using Claude AI to take my unorganized inbox from thousands of unread emails, cleaning it up to about 100 of important emails, using AI to classify what was junk and what I needed to save. Stick around and I'll show you how I built this. First, I asked Claude to create a Google Chrome extension that would classify my emails into junk, saved, and unclassified. I asked for instructions for how to implement the code. I hit go and watched the code run. Next, I copied and pasted the code from Claude into a notepad and saved it into a project folder. Then uploaded that folder to Chrome/extensions. Opening my Gmail, I now have a classify button that marks all of the recommended junk emails in red and recommended save emails in green. Thanks for watching. I've added links to the files for this Chrome extension as well as more detailed instructions on how to build it. Leave a comment or reach out to me if you want to learn more about how to create custom solutions like this for your business or yourself to save time and money. I'll see you in the next video.